Based on today's price action, can we see severe selling or can we expect a reversal? Let's see that in details and let's mark the important levels and create our plan for tomorrow's trading session. And I'm going to explain what is going to happen. Tomorrow's trading is going to be crucial because tomorrow is a Friday and based on tomorrow's weekly candle closing, we can expect the trend, whether it is a bullish or bearish. And I'm going to show you important levels where you can expect severe sell-off. Let's see what happened based on today's price action. Yesterday we planned if Nifty is going to open gap down below this level or below this level. In a pullback, you should take the trade, shorting position, but there is no pullback. It broke this level and closed around this point. And we expected this as a target because I expected after a gap down opening, there is going to be reversal into this zone. What happened is there is a quick momentum and it closed below this level. This is another target level and we haven't discussed this level. And this is one more target level. We marked it. There's a pullback after breaking this level. And in this zone also, we are not going to take this trade because it is almost around the target level. And around this point, once again, there is a pullback. And after candle closing below this level, you can take the trade. There is a more than 1:2 kind of trade for this target. And after that, there is nothing. It consolidated and broke down. Consolidated and broke down. These are small trades. Based on these ranges, you can capture 1:2 target, and here also you can capture 1:1.5 kind of target. That's all. There is nothing in market today, but the price action is bearish. It is on the downside. It is breaking the previous lows and it is breaking previous lows and going downside. Okay. Let's mark the important levels and let's create our plan for tomorrow's trading session. And I'm going to create zones. I'm readjusting this level to around this point and I'm going to readjust this level to this point and I'm going to add a few more levels. This is one of the important support level. This is going to be another important resistance level and this is also going to be another important resistance level. Okay, I have marked these multiple levels and compared to yesterday, today there are multiple levels. You can consider this as a zone. This level and this level combined, you can consider this as a one level, one zone. And this level and this level combined, you can consider this as a one zone. These are two zones. Okay, let's create our plan and I'm going to explain what is happening and where you can expect a severe sell-off. When we see higher time frame analysis, first let's create our plan. If Nifty opens inside this range, tomorrow what I'm expecting is a flat opening or a gap down opening. After flat opening, Nifty breaks this level. You can expect this as a first target and this level or this level as a second target. From 25,860 to 25,720, it is almost 140 points. You can easily capture 100 points. 100 points move you can easily capture in this trade if it's breaking on the downside. And if there is going to be any gap down below this level, wait for a pullback. In the pullback, take the trade. Day's close as going to be your first target and this is going to be your second target. This level or this level is going to be your second target. You can easily aim 100 points in this trade. Okay. And one more thing is if it opens gap down below this level, if the momentum is fast and there is any breakout, you can take the trade for these targets. For this target, you can take the trade or from the breakout point, you can aim 100 points. That should be the plan. If it opens up above this level or above this level, wait for a pullback into this level or the closing price. In the reversal, take the trade and you can aim these levels. This as a first target and let's see what are all the other levels. Let me zoom out. If it opens above this level or above this level in the pullback, take the trade. This is going to be our first target and you can aim this as a second target. These are the two targets you can aim. And after opening, flat opening, if it's going to break this level, see how it's going to react in this zone. And if this level is going to break, you can aim this as your first and final target. If it opens inside this range, if it's opening gap up, you can aim this as a second target. But if it opens a flat inside this range, you can book your target around this zone. That's my plan for tomorrow's trading session. And I'm expecting a flat opening or a gap down opening. And I'm expecting a bearish move tomorrow. Let's see why I am expecting that and what is my plan. Let's go to higher time frame analysis, daily time frame. If you have watched my video, let me remove these drawings. If you have watched my yesterday's video, I said this is a bullish move. You already know this is a bullish move. And after making a high, there is a pullback. And after this pullback, it is going higher. It is going to break this high or it is going to break this low. One of the scenarios is going to happen. And I said if it's going to break this high or if it's going to break this high, we can say continuous momentum for 2 to 3 days. And if this low is going to break, we should see how the weekly candle is going to close. Weekly candle's low is around this point. Let's go to weekly time frame, weekly candles low is around this point. Tomorrow, if this level is going to break and close below this low, we can see further selling towards a 0.5 level. From this point to this point, we can expect a 50% retracement. That's what my expectation is. And if Nifty sustains below 50% retracement level, we can see further down move as well. But as of now, the move is bullish and today's price action is bearish. If Nifty breaks today's low in tomorrow's trading session and this weekly low, we can see further selling. And if it breaks this high and breaks this high, closes above this level, we can see further bullish momentum. These are the things that are going to happen, and tomorrow's price action is important. You should see how the market is going to behave and where it is going to close. That is important. And that's my overall view based on this price action. And currently it is in a sideways zone until it is not breaking any of these levels, this high or this low. It can sustain inside this range. It can open a gap up and gap down, one day gap up and one day gap down. It may consolidate inside this range, but it is going to break one side or the other in the next coming trading sessions, and you should keep that in mind. That's all. This is my plan for tomorrow's trading session. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video.